welcome back to the channel. Again, if you're new to the channel and if you enjoy the content that's on here, please consider subscribing. So today's video is all about the N5430FF code that you'll get, which is generally a wastegate code. I got an old set of turbos here and I thought it would be a nice opportunity to actually do a turbo wastegate video. So yeah, let's get to it. So let's start off here. So the first thing you want to do is just remove the actuator of the actual turbo. I think it's a 12mm or 11, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, just put that aside, and then you want to just take off the retaining clip on here. Normally I would disassemble the entire turbo, but these are scrap, or rather they do need a complete refurb. So there's all your parts, and then you just want to pop off the wastegate. So just set the wastegate aside, keep these parts safe over here. Okay, so once you have that there, get yourself a, it's called a paint marker, and you want to keep the wastegate closed. So in the closed position, you want to keep it closed, and then you just want to trace the position in its closed position like that. So that's the closed position. It's helpful if you have a vise at home, or if you have a bench or something. It will make your life a lot easier. You just want to see best for the camera angle. Okay, so we'll do it like this. And then what we're going to do is just put my lenses on. So if you can have a look at this weld over here, we're going to be grinding this weld off. So let's grind this weld off. Clearly I didn't grind away more than I need, so I'm just going to give this a little grind here. Yeah, so hopefully that's enough metal just to, yep, it is. So you can just take something round and just push it out. Be careful, it will be hard. So that's your arm. You can see your arm. That's your arm over there. Okay, now holding this in place is actually a pin. So what you have to do is you're gonna have to drill out. I'll use something just to point. You're gonna have to drill out this pin here. That pin has to be drilled out. So let's just put this down like this. Maybe we can can have a look and you can see that the pin is now completely drilled out. The next thing what you want to do is you want to take this particular bearing and you want to knock the bearing out. So I'm going to see if we can get it onto the small vise, just like this. And then again, basic tools. I'm just going to use a hammer with a screwdriver and some WD-40. So just spray the inside here with some WD-40, spray the outside with some WD-40. Take your hammer, position it nicely so you don't damage where the bearing sits. Go slowly. There we have the old bearing is out. You can have a look at it and see. That's how we knocked it out. But what you can see here on the inside is, if you look, you can see there's no mushrooming on the inside, nothing. Completely safe to knock it out. You can see where the pin resides. This cavity here on the inside, that's where the pin resides. That's what you're taking out. And then here we have the new kit. You guys can contact me if you require a kit. So this will just fit in here like this. The bearing will sit obviously on the inside, so you'll push the new bearing in on the inside and you'll press the new bearing in. This bearing here will sit here on the inside. It's actually quite smaller than it, so I don't think you'll have any issues taking it out. So you'll push this bearing in, you'll put this in here on the inside, and then it will come through the bearing itself, something like that. It's a bit difficult to do it with one hand. Let me put the camera here on top and then we can see if we can achieve what we want to do. Okay, how's that? Okay, cool. So what you'll do is you'll just, obviously your new bearing will sit here on the inside like this. This will sit inside the bearing. Then you'll just cut a piece of nail or something and put it back inside, cut it to size, weld this part down. Now the reason why we made this line is because when your new arm sits on it, you actually have to weld the arm onto it. So when this part goes inside, this part sits on top like this, you have to weld this part close. So in order to get the close position of where this resides, so this will sit like this. So now we know it will sit round about there in this direction. So there's no need, so there's no ways you can weld it here and then your wastegate arm is off, or you know, things like that. But that's simply how you guys do the wastegate repair on a BMW N54. So for those of you who have the 30FF code, perfect example, can save you guys some money. If you guys like this videos, like, subscribe, share, I'll appreciate it. It keeps the channel going. Thanks guys, cheers, bye.